Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Fold4, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool. They come usually provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you should be able to use just a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. But anyway, once you have something to pry out the tray, you can find it at the right or left side, upper right or left side of the phone, depending if you have it open or closed. As you can see, it's right here. So using the pin, insert it into the little hole there, push it in, and as you can see, the tray comes out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it with your fingernail, pull it out, and here, as you can see, you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. So you can utilize whichever one you want. You can obviously also utilize both of them at the same time, though it looks like the top one isn't being held by anything, so if you flip the tray over, the card will fall out. The bottom one has the bracket to hold it in place though. So anyway, insert it back into your phone, and the card should start working immediately when you insert it. So there we go. So that is how you can insert your SIM card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.